Welcome to Cape Town Gone Wild. Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Hi, my name is Aidan and welcome back to the channel. Over the next few weeks, we'll be diving into the heart of South Africa, where the landscapes will leave you breathless, and the experiences are truly unforgettable. From conquering the epic heights of Tabletop Mountain, to climbing the dangerous Lion's Head, to the adrenaline-fueled rush of a helicopter around Cape Town's coastal lines. This is just the beginning. We'll cruise along Chapman's Peak, visiting penguins at Boulders Beach, and take a daring step into one of the most misunderstood townships. And that's not all. We'll explore Cape Town's waterfront, sail into the sunset, and witness baboons patrolling the rooftops of Simonstown. On safari, we'll stay in a lodge where the temperatures plummet to -2 degrees at night, but the wildlife keeps things wild, tasting some of the finest wines across Stellenbosch and drinking our way through Franschhoek on the wine tram. We'll visit an animal rescue centre where the famous Picasso created her beautiful masterpieces, capturing along the way some beautiful photography and meeting incredible locals who share their life journey with us. This is South Africa, full of beauty, thrill, adventure and heartwarming moments. I'll be releasing videos over the next few weeks, diving deeper into each activity. So if you fancy following us along, make sure and subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming episodes. Also, leave me some comments below if I've missed anything out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.